Hello friends, in this video we are going to see about the animation tab in MS PowerPoint. In PowerPoint you can animate text objects such as cliparts, shapes and pictures. Animation or the movement on the slide can be used to draw the audience attention to specific content or to make a slides easier to read. Now how to do that? So for that there is an option or the tab available in MS PowerPoint, that is animation tab. Here you can see a tab which consists of different blocks. By using these blocks you can create an animation on your text or on the object. Now once you enter in this tab you can see these are not highlighted because we have not selected any text or the object for the animation. Now I have another slide which consists of the four types of animation we have is a entrance, emphasis, exit and the motion path. Now I want to insert some uh, animation to this text, so I will select that text. Once I select that text it will highlighted, and now here there are four types of animation you can see. First one is the entrance type. So basically this controls how the object enter to the slide. For example, if you take appear, it will appear like this, and if you take another or a random like this. So there are different options available. If you want a swirl you can see it is appearing like this. So in which way you want to insert or enter in the slide you can use the entrance one. Now the second one is the emphasis one. Basically this animation occur while the object on the slide, often triggered by mouse click. So if you want to emphasize or highlight anything then you can use this animation. So there are multiple options available in the emphasis also. You can try one by one and check whichever is suitable for your presentation. The next one is the exit one. These control how the object exits the slide. For example, if you take a fly out, so now you can see if I click on the fly out, it will, if you want to see a preview, you can see the fly out animation is applied to it. Next one is the options available here are the more entrance effect, more emphasis effect and more exit effect. After the entrance, emphasis and the exit, the last option is the motion paths. Now in which manner you want to move your text, that is the objects or text, then in that manner it will move. Now if I take a shape, this one, it will move in a circular manner. So basically there are four types of animation you can see here: entrance, emphasis, exit and the motion path. And there are multiple options available. If you click on the more effect and if you click on this, it will show you the different options which is available in the entrance one. Now in the similar way for the emphasis also there is option, for exit effect there is options, and for motion effect. Now once you insert some animation to it, it will show you the different types over there. Now here you can see if you want to move it in the parallelogram you can use it. So whichever animation you are going to apply it. Now if you are going to implement the split one, now if there is an option, that is if you want a horizontal one, horizontal out, vertical in, vertical out, in this way you can create your own effects on that animation. So if you are taking some another like fly in, so there are multiple options, that from bottom, from left you want, from left like this, from top left, from top, from right top. So whichever animation you are going to apply, there are some more options available in the effect option. So by using this, you can make an animation more creative. Next one is the preview. Now once you apply any animation to it, you can preview it at any moment of time if you want. Next one is the animation, the same thing which you can do like this one. If you are selecting this, that means this portion is applied to this. Now if I want all of them at once, so what I have to do, I have to select them, I have to make it like this. So in this way you can apply any of this. If you want a like this, you can do. Now whichever pattern you have applied, you can see the first one will appear on the screen, this, because it is named as 1, and these all will come in the second position. Now if you want to apply something, like if you want to apply these text should come one by one, then you have to select this box like this and then select the option whichever you want. If you want like this, you can select it. You can see they are rotating one by one. So if you want to apply one by one, then you have to select the box. Here you can see 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As the numbers are given over here, in the same sequence they will appear on the screen. Next one is the animation pane. If you click on it, you can see where you have applied the animation. So these are the 5 animation which we have applied to our text, which is appearing over here. You can also play from here like this, and you can also preview it from this position also. Now the next one is the animation painter. If you want to copy animation, then you can select that animation painter, and you can apply the same animation to another text or the object. So that is the use of animation painter. Next one, if you want to remove any animation at any moment of time, you have to just select that animation. You can see here it is highlighted, and just press delete. Now it is deleted. This way you can delete it. Now if you want to apply a multiple animation to the same, you can also apply it at the same time. So now here you can see the two animations are applied, but first this animation will done, this, and afterwards again the fifth animation will be done. So in this way you can add a multiple animation to the single text or the objects. Next one is, now if you are selecting anything like this, and if you want to start it with on click or with previous or after previous, there are option available. If you want to start the animation on click, then you have to select this. If you want to play the animation one after another, then you have to select with previous. That means first will be done, then second, then third, then fourth, like this. And here is the duration and the delay. Now the next thing is, if you want to change the some effect option, then there is a drop down available. Click on that, click on the text animation or the effect. If you want to come the text letter by letter, you can select it and click over it. Now here you can see it is coming letter by letter like this. If you don't feel like it's good, you can go again there and click over there and all at once and click OK. Now here you can see all at once. Next one is, if you want to change the timing, you can change the timing from here also. And if you want to insert some sound, then you can just select the sound and it will be applied to it. Okay, so whenever you want to insert some sound to it, you can insert sound. If you don't want the sound, you can just go inside that and select the sound and no sound. So in this way you can insert an animation to your text. You can remove the animation, you can add a multiple animation, You can copy the animation by using the animation painter. You can preview it by using the preview button. In By using the animation pen, you can see where you have applied the animation and which animation you have applied. You can customize your animation. Next one is, if you want to reduce the timeline, this bar is here available. You can reduce that timeline by using just like this. So you can also change the timeline. In this way, you can apply animation to your text to make a more attractive and more communicative to your audience. Thank you.